There are many drones available on the market, from cheap and nasty knockoffs to sophisticated models for high-end cinematics. Choosing the right drone is not an easy task. So how do you choose? I'm David Hague from Creative Content and Australian Videocamera, and over this video series I'll show you DJI has, without question, a stranglehold on the drone market, with models that cover every eventuality, from raw beginner to professional. In its range, there are at least 10 current models, and some of the older ones are even still available. I personally think the DJI Flip is the best drone to get if you're just starting out. It's perfect for the person who wants to learn the basics of drone flying, photography and video without breaking the bank. The Flip also has a few party tricks up its sleeve, and is therefore also a fun drone to play with. But let's look at the basics first. The Flip is a lightweight drone, weighing under 250 grams. And this is important, and I'll explain why later, but it's easy to fly. It is a slightly different configuration than other DJI models in that the four arms containing the props fold upwards, not inwards, making it very compact and lightweight. Unlike the Neo and Avata, the props are enclosed, adding to the safety of operation. And additionally, there are both forward and downward facing collision detectors, letting the Flip avoid obstacles. There is even an automatic braking system built in. Further, every time you take off, the Flip registers the current GPS location as home, so it knows where to return to automatically if something goes wrong. Controlling the Flip can be either with the RC3 controller using a smartphone as the viewport, or what I think is a better solution, the RC2 controller with its built-in screen. It costs more, but from experience, it's well worth the expense. Aiding in the video side of things are functions like orbit and follow, along with a bunch of other built-in automatic tracking options such as Droney, Rocket, Boomerang and Spotlight. You also have access to a 4x zoom, smart photo that includes scene recognition, slow motion, hyperlapse and panoramic shooting. To change the mode of shooting, simply press the button on the side of the Flip.
Circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track.
It wasn't that long ago that you'd bring your drone home after around 15 minutes because of battery life. But today, things are a lot better and the Flip gives you almost 30 minutes of flying time. And if battery life does become a bit dodgy, the Flip will automatically return to home at the optimum time to make sure it gets there safely. You can also abort a flight at any time by pressing the return home button. Another neat function is built-in voice recognition. You can start the Flip by saying, "Hey Flip," or get the Flip to track you with "Follow me." And start recording will, start the recording. I'll let you work out how to stop it. At the start, I mentioned the under 250 gram weight of the Flip. This means you can bypass a lot of the regulatory rules in place for drone flyers, as long as you keep common sense in place, of course. I have a separate video that covers all this stuff, and the address is on your screen. Well, there you have it, the DJI Flip, which, as I say, I think is the best starter model for those that may want to graduate to more complex video and functionality later. At $599 for the base unit, with the controller for a smartphone, it's not overly expensive, but I do recommend going up one step and getting the better controller with the built-in screen, at $809. It must also be mentioned that DJI offers a comprehensive insurance package called DJI Care, that will replace your drone for a nominal charge if you crash it or lose it. Next in the series, I'll cover the baby of the DJI drone family, the Neo 2. This is a different drone entirely to the Flip and aimed at a very different market. I hope this video has been of use. By all means, leave a comment and I'd appreciate a like. And of course, to be notified of further videos, please subscribe to my channel. Additionally, to keep up to date with all the latest info in the world of drones, video and photography, you can find my website at www.creativecontent.com, where you'll also see my podcasts and vodcasts. And please support my sponsors, Sennheiser and Blackmagic Design. I'm David Hague. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. If you use a GoPro or other action type camera, I think you'll like my free 60-page e-magazine. You can download it from my website at www.creativecontent.au and select the option in the menu bar.